I imagine we were fooling around here. But the thing is that we were in the car.
There we go.
みんな大好きマクドナルドから通報だ。停車中の車が小刻みに揺れている。しかも全開のドアから「オーイエスカモンベイビー」という猫ちゃんの声が聞こえただとか。これは緊急事態だってことで警官が迅速に駆けつけたところから映像は始まる。
Yeah, it's up. I'm 1012 with the vehicle. India Sierra 44 Papa Charlie.
Yep.
ID?
Yeah.
I need your ID too. So if it's the same address on Siegel?
Yes, sir.
Where are you guys coming from?
We just stopped here because we were on our way home.
Okay. You do know it's a public place.
Yes,
you guys
sir.
have the door wide open, and there's people everywhere here.
Okay.
I got your ID.
Okay. We totally understand now.
I mean, you guys obviously didn't care because the door was wide open.
No. Totally understand. No, totally understand. We're just getting crazy out with the door, that's what he's saying.
Okay, I'm fine.
Anything else from us?
No, you're gonna wait right here.
Okay. No.
Yeah.
We're law-abiding citizens, trust
Good.
me. Are you waiting on your side?
Yep.
Okay. Actually, am I?
I'm not touching your hand after what I just saw. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, there's no reason for me to touch anything.
No, it's understandable.
Don't start the attitude with me.
No.
Yeah, it's not the right thing to do.
No, trust me, sir. No. I don't do any attitude, I support the police officers. You have no idea how much money I put into the sheriff's department. If you look at my background, how much money I put into the sheriff's department, you understand.
俺は法を守る善良な市民だ。警察に寄付もしてる。その必死のアピールがダサすぎるんだよな。公共の場で下半身を解放しといて何が善良だよ。挙句の果てに警官からお前のあれを見た後で握手なんかできるかってガチでドン引きされてんじゃねえか。寄付アピールでごまかせる状況じゃねえんだよ。
Okay, but you understand that you're also
Yep.
what you're doing
No.
in a public place.
Yep, 100%.
So nobody's talked to the callers or anything?
Hello?
Are you the one that called? Okay. For this crime, there needs to be a victim for it, right? So you as a witness, we need a statement from you. So even though we saw them, everything you said, just make it easier for us. So and then the video, I can share you a link so you can upload it.
I walk up. She's with her legs
Honestly,
up.
I'm going to be
He's
honest.
eating with the door wide open. And then as soon as I show up, he throws her. And she goes to the driver's seat.
Honestly, I'm going to be honest with you. We're fooling around.
Okay. Where other people can see?
We're right here. And
What makes you think that's okay?
Huh?
Or what makes you think that's okay?
I didn't say it was okay.
Okay, but you're just saying it like it's nonchalant.
There was really no one here. Maybe someone came by and saw us. But I'm just saying it's not okay.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying.
Who's she to you?
Huh?
Who's she to you? Who is she to you?
She's my girlfriend. And we're just, having a good time. That's all. Hey, sweetie.
Stop with the attitude because it's not going to go good for you. I don't know what we're arguing here about.
Sir.
You go stand over there. I'm not talking to you.
I know. I totally
Do yourself a
understandable.
favor.
No. I support you guys.
Okay, that's cool, but over here.
Okay.
Right here. Do you have any drugs, weapons, knives
Nope.
on you or anything?
Nope.
Turn around, I'm going to pat you.
Yep.
No. Hey, no.
No.
Hey. That's not what you do
I know.
when I'm patting you down.
All right.
Do you understand that? Do you want to
Yes,
get on
sir.
your face?
Nope.
Do you want me to throw you on your face?
Nope.
So stop.
Yep.
Put your hands up here.
Okay.
Do you have a gun on you or something?
Nope.
So then why'd you just do that?
I'm just showing you what
I'm
was in
telling
my
you right
pocket.
now, if you move your hands off that hood, I'm going to dump you on your face.
Okay.
Don't
no
do
problem.
that again.
I will not do it again. I swear to God.
Holding a signal 13 incident. The complainant is calling from Keys Real
Turn around.
Ocean. Advising 1 mile
Don't
offshore.
ever do that.
No, I'm sorry.
You understand
No.
that?
Yes, sir.
Possibly a large
I don't
amount.
understand what here.
Nope.
If you're going to reach for it, put it
No.
in your hand.
You can reach for it.
What is it?
This is money. That's all it is.
So then why are
No.
you reaching for it?
I'm just putting my hands in my pocket. It's a comfortable place. That's it.
1744.
I swear to God. If you look at...
Is there a knife in there? Or anything?
Nope. I support you guys. Trust me, I support you guys.
You guys aren't listening, and clearly she's acting
No.
Have you guys been drinking?
So
She's 100% Italian, and
Correction
that's
Officer
where that's
Causeway
at.
at
Okay,
4417
that's one thing.
North
Then.
Scotia.
Have you been
Advising
drinking?
approximately 1
I've
mile
been
offshore.
drinking, yes.
Has she been drinking?
A little bit, but she's not. She's
Are
okay
you
to
guys
drive.
using drugs or
Nope.
anything?
Nope.
4417.
I imagine we were fooling around here. But the thing is that we were in the
Several also in
car,
reference to the previous
my
bullet
door
from
was
the
open,
DC-1's advising.
and
So
but
if you're in
I
the car and
swear
the
to
door is
God,
open,
nobody's.
Clearly they did if they called
Nope.
us.
100%.
My gun's right there.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
マックの駐車場でドア全開ってどんだけ露出狂なんだよ。誰にも見られてないってバッチリ通報されて警察まで来てんじゃねえか。車内でこそこそやるならまだしも、フルオープンで大人のハッピーセットとかマジで意味不明だわ。子供が通ったらどうすんだっての。発情期の厨房でももうちょい場所選ぶぞ。
Nothing else on you?
No, I don't.
All right,
My gun's right there.
we'll just hang out right here at your trunk. All right?
Okay. My gun's right there. I'm not.
Okay. Trust me, we greatly appreciate you telling us
Dude,
about it. No, don't go back over there. All right. Is there any other guns in the?
No, I have a fucking loaded arm right there.
Okay. Is that the only one in the car?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Listen. Look at my gun.
Nope.
Right there.
No.
I'm not, dude.
Okay.
That's fucking crazy,
Crystal,
dude.
Crystal, we're gonna avoid the gun situation. Come over here. You're gonna stand right here by this passenger tire. Okay.
Right here.
Yep.
Why you guys be fucking
There we go.
crazy though?
Well,
I don't understand what the problem is.
if you can follow instructions, we would like to be cool with you. All right. So.
Listen, I protect all you guys. That's why I have this shit in my car.
Okay. I appreciate it. Trust me, I advocate responsible gun ownership.
Perfect.
All right. I think we probably have some questions for you.
What's your question?
I don't even know what's going on though. But because you're not free to go at this moment in time,
That's crazy.
we're just going to advise you of your rights.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have them present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before
Appreciate
any
that, ma'am.
questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any decisions.
Appreciate you.
Do you understand each of these
Yes,
rights?
ma'am. Appreciate
So
you.
what's going on today?
We were hanging out over here inside my car. That's it.
Okay. Just hanging out in your car.
Yes.
Were you doing anything in your car?
Yes, I was, but I was locked inside my car
Okay. What were you doing inside the car?
with my man.
Is that your man?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Who's he to you? Boyfriend, husband?
He's my boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yeah.
How long you guys been dating?
Ooh, probably about 6 months.
6 months?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Were you guys having intercourse in the car?
Yes, of course you are.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
That's why we're all here. Once we can figure out
I'm
what's
sorry.
going on, we will try and get you out of here. I don't know what's going on. You saw we were like the second to last ones getting here. Okay.
I'm
so
sorry.
we're just gonna hang out with you until then.
I'm sorry for disrespecting you in any kind of way.
Nope, you're not. Have you been drinking at all today?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. All right. Are you intoxicated?
Yes, I was, but I was sitting on the side of my Denali.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it your car or his?
It is my Denali, yes.
It's yours?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are you guys doing here at the McDonald's?
His wife is somewhere else.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
he didn't want to be caught with his
Yeah,
wife.
his wife is somewhere else.
Okay. Where's he
That's
live?
on shoot. Palm City.
Palm City.
Yeah.
Does he have a car here?
He does.
Where's his car?
It's a little bit of ways.
Is it like in Cracker Barrel?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys arranged to meet up here.
Yeah.
You guys met up. You came over, and you guys decided to have intercourse inside the vehicle. Is that accurate?
Kind of accurate.
Okay. Can you correct me on, or fill me in on what's
He's
not
trying
accurate?
to get away from his wife. I said, hey, come over here.
Mhm.
We've been getting together for about 6 months now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So I run about 2 different body shops, and he's like my sublet contract.
Okay.
So I told him, hey,
So you guys also have
Yeah.
a work
He's-
relationship.
yeah,
Okay. All right. And then you guys have been romantic for like 6 months?
6 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Is he trying to
He
get
work-
divorced
he
from his
makes-
wife, or
yes,
is he?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Nothing. Like I said, that's between you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
He makes probably about 100,000 off of me a year.
Okay. Is there a reason why you guys decided to have intercourse inside
Yes,
the vehicle
because
versus
his
like?
wife is gonna lose her shit.
Okay. I guess I'm trying to understand why'd you guys choose the vehicle versus like? I mean,
Because
there's a hotel right there.
Because I have a better car than he does.
私の車の方が高級だからなんて見え張ってないでおとなしく数千円払ってモーテル行けっての逮捕されるよりよっぽど安く済んだだろうに。
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Fair enough.
I'm sorry.
Let me
I'm sorry.
hang out, and we're gonna go try and talk with our partners here to figure out what's going on. Okay.
Alright, sir, sorry.
Because you have a firearm.
You can take my firearm, it's in my car.
Yeah. No, we're just.
It's
all
legal.
all I'm gonna ask while we go talk with,
Yes, sir. It's
with our partners.
loaded,
I'm just
take
gonna
it.
have you take a seat in our car.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No problem.
Thanks.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nothing in your bra. You're not supposed to
No,
have
sir.
any narcotics,
No.
anything like that.
No.
All right. You just have a seat,
Yeah,
and we're gonna
absolutely.
try and figure out what's going on so we can get
No
you out of here. Okay.
What brought you guys over to here?
Excuse me?
What brought you guys over this way?
Oh, we were on our way home, and we were going to stop at the McDonald's, go to the bathroom, and then we just started messing around, and that was about it.
Okay.
We were in our car. Yes, the door was open, but I know for a fact nobody saw anything. I 110% nobody saw anything.
Yeah,
But yes, we were fooling around.
public accessible parking lot. Anybody can drive through.
Yep, and
Have the
probably
door
somebody
open.
drove through and saw us, and like I said, I'm a law-abiding citizen, and I'm not gonna disagree with anything. But
Gotcha.
yeah, the door was open, and
Yeah.
when
Yeah,
I think this
obviously-
officer here pulled up, the door was open.
Okay. Yeah. Obviously, our concern is, if kids
But
go
I'm
by.
gonna tell you right now, there's no kids involved.
I know. I got you. And that's a big reason we take this
Yep.
stuff serious. If a kid goes by, that's a
Yep.
felony, and you're on the registry list. You want me to take the bracelet off or anything?
If you want to,
Yeah.
here you go.
Whatever.
It's up to you. I mean, you can leave it on. It's up to you.
I don't want it to get beat
Nope.
up on me. If you want
I'm not gonna resist. Trust me, sir.
Good.
I'm a law-abiding citizen.
Have you step back for me real quick?
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you turn around. Change on your back for me. Alright, so you are under arrest tonight for disorderly conduct.
For what?
Okay. For being in the car and putting a show on for everyone at McDonald's tonight. Did you
Really?
want anything out of the car? Your shoes? Anything? A purse, maybe? Phone?
Is this for real?
I said I don't take pride in doing this. So.
Yeah, I don't either. I just asked you if I can just please and put my shoes on.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you. Would you like a seatbelt on?
No, it's not.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Yep.
Hey, what are we being arrested for? Because I know for a fact we weren't being
So-
indecently exposed.
No, you're right. You aren't. You are going for disorderly conduct.
Yeah, but we were in our car and nobody saw anything.
The door was wide open. And
Yeah, but we weren't having intercourse. I'm not arguing with you. I'm just trying to understand why we're being arrested.
Intercourse, penetration, anything of that
Nope.
is irrelevant, even though I know you guys didn't, because there was still the actual statute verbiage is corrupts public morals or a breach of peace, which that would qualify as both. So that's why you're correct as far as no intercourse or however you want to word it.
Yes.
You weren't exposed because you were fully clothed, because we saw the video
Uh-huh.
as well. So that's why you're not being charged with exposure of sexual organs.
Okay.
But you are with disorderly conduct.
Okay.
こうしてバカどもは逮捕された。何を目撃してしまった通行人もそうだが一番の被害者はこのアホ男の奥さんだな。こんな高画質の決定的な証拠動画が世界中に公開されるんだぜ。奥さん側の弁護士が大喜びでガッツポーズしてるぜ。財産分与でケツの毛までむしり取ってやればいい。安上がりな不倫スリルの代償は奥さんへの莫大な慰謝料と豚箱行きってわけだ。自業自得ってやつ。次もヤバい犯罪者を紹介するからチャンネル登録して見逃さないでくれよ。